Hello, beautiful souls. It's a gorgeous day here in Whitehorse, Yukon. The sun is shining. If you can believe it, it's above +1. Today, I'm here to talk about the 10 reasons why we stay in pain. So number one is your nervous system may be stuck in overdrive. Number two, a lack of knowledge about what causes pain in the body and how that relates to your brain, your physiology, your nervous system. Number three, have you received a diagnosis that has paralyzed you into thinking that you cannot get better? Number four, a lack of motivation or discipline. Sometimes that stands in the way of why we don't address our persistent pain problems. Number five, a fear of letting go of what is not working. Sometimes we become pretty attached to the idea that said therapy is going to work, and it's not working, and yet it's hard to let that one go. Number six, a lack of understanding about how your body works. The truth is, the more that we understand how our body works, the more powerful we are in moving forward from that. Number seven, exhaustion from being in pain all the time. It's true. Nicole and I understand that pain is exhausting, but there is a way out. Number eight, you don't know about other options besides pharmaceuticals or manual therapies or topicals. You just haven't been exposed to other options. Number nine, you're without a step-by-step plan to recovery. And number 10, you may not have a champion there to support you to sleeping, moving, and feeling better. If you like this video, please click like below. Please subscribe to our channel. We have lots to offer, lots of great programs. Please stick with us.